Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick video, I'm going to be reviewing HoneyBook, which is a popular CRM that is designed for freelancers and small businesses. But before we dive in, you can check out the link in the description to explore HoneyBook and see if it is the right fit for you. So HoneyBooks is an all-in-one client management platform that helps businesses streamline invoices, contracts, payments, and project management. It is ideal for freelancers, photographers, consultants, and service-based businesses. So if I talk about the pros, I like the interface. It is clean, intuitive. Dashboard for managing the clients. You are also going to get the automated workflows. You can send invoices with it, contracts, and follow up effortlessly. It will also give you the integrated payments, like you can accept the payments directly through the platform, and you can also customize it according to your own brand or according to your own business. If we go into the pricing, you can see for yourself that they provide you the free trial, but only when you pay for it. So the only con about this particular platform is that it is subscription based. It requires a paid plan, but it offers great value for small businesses. So if you are a freelancer, a small business owner who is looking for an all-in-one CRM to manage your projects, invoices, your client communications, HoneyBook is a fantastic choice. It saves time, it keeps everything organized, and it will also help you grow your business smoothly. So if you want to check it out, you can just use the discount link in the description. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next